After opening new Canva project, go to text and type your text. Let's change the font. Let's use Anton. Increase the size. Place it like this. And go to text color. Change to white color. Go to effects. Choose glow. Let's make it 50. And download this page. Go to share. Download. Delete this text and upload the new image. And after uploading the image that you want to use as a background, drop it to the design as well. Go to apps and type blend image. Choose this app. Click on this one first, use it in bottom layer. Click on this one, use it in top layer. Go to blend mode and choose multiply. And click auto design. Increase the size. And here's the final results.